Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is currently working on a potential breakout to the upside. It is, of course, which is part of every breakout, currently in a corrective wave down. At least this is what I sort of see here. Yeah, what is currently working out. At least it is a first potential for a possible breakout after a long downtrend. And it really is like the first time I tell you that in 6 to 7 months that we could have seen the low here at $880. After I did warn you many months ago that a 3-digit Ethereum dollar price level would be possible should we go below $1,700. We saw a significant low here, significant peak, and we are starting to move up. And as I said in previous videos, this can be counted as an impulse. There is therefore a chance that the trend is currently turning around to the upside. Now we can currently see that this 5-wave move up, which can also then be seen as a first wave up, a wave 1 of a possible new uptrend, which also always has 5 waves. So after this wave 1, you would expect a wave 2. Now this wave 2, I gave you the target area for this wave 2 earlier today in my video this morning, UK time. And this target area is located between, I just need to make that a bit more accurate. I think I didn't quite go to the low here in that one. So yeah, I think it needs to be a bit adjusted like this one. Okay, I think in the last video I probably didn't catch the low perfectly, but doesn't matter now because we haven't reached it anyway. So the area here, the target area that we would expect a wave 2 to get into is between 946 and $1,036. We are nearly there. Yeah, I think in the previous video we were somewhere here, a little bit higher though. But yeah, this is sort of what we can expect to go into this level. Yeah, we have seen also a head and shoulders pattern here on the chart. This has broken out to the downside currently, and this would bolster support for the case that we are going to go a little bit lower here in this wave 2 target area. So moving up in 5 waves, and then this wave 2 here. So this forms the wave 1, and then the wave 2, which will now with a higher likelihood really land in this yellow target area, consists of 3 waves. So a wave 2 always consists of a wave A, a B, and a C. 3 waves. And what we can currently see here is that of this C wave, in which we possibly are already, we might have already done the wave 1. Okay, so we might have already seen, so a wave C is always 5 wave like. So we've seen here a 1, a 2, we might now be in the 3, then the 4 up and the 5 down. That would then complete here this wave C, which again looks like that, A, B, and this is what we currently is unfolding, the wave C. What would be an ideal retracement for the wave C? Well, I think a very logical one that would make sense. So first of all, the 50% fib retracement here at $1,036. I think we could bounce off here and start to move up. But looking at the height of the head here, of the head and shoulders pattern, looking at the length of the wave 1, I would actually suggest here $1,000, which is the 61.8% fib level, or even the $946 level, the 78.6. These would sort of be the areas where I would expect here, especially $1,000, where I would expect a bounce then to an upside, because in this scenario, what we do expect, wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, much more than wave 1. So it would be a new high. Yeah. Where would that wave 3 need to go? We can't really calculate that at the moment because we don't know where the wave 2 will go. But if we can make an assumption that the wave 2 indeed might go to that $1,000 level, find support, turns around back into an uptrend, then where would that wave 3 then go? Let's take a look. We would expect here the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, around $1,500, yeah, for a wave 3. So this is a possible breakout scenario. In this wave 3 then we would move above that key resistance level here at $1,255, yeah? And that would further support the case for a possible breakout here. You can even see that this creates the form of an overall inverse head and shoulders. So while you have a local head and shoulders here, which did break out to the downside and will form here, will get into this yellow target area. The overall pattern here you could even see as an inverse head and shoulders. So let's just think, right, the price might really go a bit lower to $1,000 and then go to the upside. Yeah, what do you see on this chart? It is an inverse head and shoulders pattern. We didn't get quite that high, but you know, I would still see that as a possible reversal pattern. Certainly something to keep an eye on. Yeah, possibly you could even see that in some way, like here and then here, and then this here is sort of the neckline, but I would rather see this here, the 1255 level, as the most relevant level. Yeah, and this just to indicate to you that this here might indeed be a reversal pattern that is currently unfolding here. Yeah, and that would be very much in line with this possible impulsive move to the upside, which is now unfolding. And if this impulsive move is unfolding further, that would really bolster the support, or support the idea that a breakout here is possible to the upside. And if this will be a sustainable breakout that will lead to new all-time highs, or if this will be just something that might go all the way up to 1700 and then we come even down lower once more, that is way too early to confirm that, way too early. We are miles away from that. But what is interesting at the moment still though, is that here a breakout is possible based on this pattern, but we cannot really confirm yet that the low has been in, because I need to see more evidence in the Elliott Wave patterns, and there isn't enough evidence there yet. But hopefully this video has given you my expectation about where the price is going to land here in this wave 2, and where we should turn around and where the wave 3 should go. Now, should we really go just through the target area? Should the price not respect it at all and break even below this wave 2 low here at $945? And then even go down to 880, lose that, yeah, then the breakout is of course done. That would invalidate any uptrending movement here, and we would go lower, possibly here next target 824, 770, or even $615. Okay, and that is my view here currently about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.